everyone, welcome to Masterover. In Year 4, Lesson 4, Chapter 2, we will continue to practice order of operations. In this chapter, we will manage to resolve questions of daily life. Question 1. A farmer has 10 sheep and 5 cows. Every day, one sheep eats 2 kilograms of hay. One cow eats 4 kilograms of hay. The farmer needs to prepare how many kilograms of hay for his cattle each day? So every day, 10 sheep need 10 times 2 kilograms of hay. 5 cows need 5 times 4 kilograms of hay. Totally, they need 10 times 2 plus 5 times 4 kilograms of hay. 10 times 2 equals to 20, plus 5 times 4, another 20. So finally, 40 kilograms. The farmer needs to prepare 40 kilograms of hay for his cattle every day. Question 2. A book has 120 pages. Lisa has already read 50 pages. If Lisa reads 5 pages every day, how many days does she need to finish the reading of the book? Firstly, we need to know how many pages of the book haven't been read. So that's 120 minus 50. Nice. If Lisa reads 5 pages every day, how many days does she need to finish the book? So that's the pages haven't been read yet, divided by 5. 120 minus 50 equals to 70. When we talk about order of operations, if there are brackets, brackets first. So now 70 divided by 5 equals to 14. Is that right? 70 divided by 5. 1 times 5 equals to 5. 7 minus 5 equals to 2. Now we have 20. 4 times 5 equals to 20. Nice. 0. So 70 divided by 5 equals to 14 days. Lisa still needs 14 days to finish the reading of the book. Question 3. 30 kilograms of oranges need to be packed. Small box can pack 3 kilograms. Each box costs $2. Big box can pack 5 kilograms. Each box costs $3. So which is a better way to pack the oranges? Only use one kind of boxes? Alright, 30 kilograms of oranges. If we only use small boxes, to pack the oranges, how many small boxes do we need? That's 30 divided by 3. And each small box costs $2. So totally 30 divided by 3 equals to 10, and then times 2 equals to $20. So if we only use small boxes to pack the oranges, we need 10 small boxes. And because each small box costs $2, totally we need $20. If we only use big boxes to pack the oranges, how many big boxes do we need? That's 30 divided by 5. And each big box costs $3. So totally 30 divided by 5 equals to 6, and then times 3 finally equals to $18. If we only use big boxes to pack the oranges, we need 6 big boxes. And because each big box costs $3, so finally we need $18. Because 20 is bigger than 18, so using big boxes is a better way because it's cheaper. Great, that's all for chapter 2. By using order of operations to help with answering questions of daily life. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. See you.